Hello friends and family, and welcome back. If you are visiting this channel for the first time and you like all things vegan, then I'd ask that you go down below and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so that you can receive notification whenever I put up a new vegan recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my vegan lemon poppy seed muffins. Now usually when I cook the muffins I eat them with you. I'm not going to be able to do that today because my family came over and took all of the muffins. But if you will make this recipe, I'm sure that you will enjoy it. So let's get cooking. Now don't you forget to like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and share. Leave me a comment. Let's get cooking. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I hope that you will try it. Please go down in the comments and let me know what you think. And I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. Take care. Stay safe. Until next time. Bye now.